Hello children and welcome to your channel Shada Educare, and in today's video we will be continuing with problem set of similarity from standard 10th. Let's begin children. The first sum from the problem set children, we have to select the alternative which are given here. In triangle ABC, you can see here one triangle ABC. This is triangle A, B, C and triangle P, Q, R. Here the correspondence are given, 1:1 correspondence is given, AB. AB corresponds to QR. Then BC corresponds to PR. AC, that is CA, corresponds to CA, corresponds to PQ. So you can see the color clearly children, what is corresponding to what. CA is corresponding to PQ, AB is corresponding to QR and BC is corresponding to PR. So out of which statement will be the correct? If this side is corresponding to this, that means angle A will correspond to angle Q, angle B will correspond to angle R and angle C will correspond to angle P. AB corresponds to QR, BC corresponds to RP and CA corresponds to QP. That means angle A corresponds to angle Q, angle B corresponds to angle R and angle C corresponds to angle P. Let me explain it in very C will corresponds to P, B will corresponds to R and A will corresponds to Q. So let's see which one is the correct option. A corresponds to Q, but here this will be wrong option. C corresponds to P. Okay, C corresponds to P, correct. A corresponds to Q. A corresponds to Q, correct. B corresponds to R. B corresponds to R. So this option is the correct option. Let us move for the next question. The second question, you can see again two figures. Triangle DEF and triangle QRP. Okay. By the figure you come to know this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. And here this angle is equal to this angle, means R is equal to E and D is equal to Q. So we have to find out which statement is a false statement out of it. If D is equal to this, E is equal to R, that means triangle DEF is similar to triangle QRP D corresponds to Q, E corresponds to R and F corresponds to P. These two triangles are similar by angle test because two angles are equal. So if I take the corresponding sides, DE upon QR, EF upon RP, DF upon QP. This will be the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay. Which one is a false? We have to find out. EF. EF corresponds to RP, correct. DF corresponds to QP, correct. So this is a correct statement. DE corresponds to PQ. Yes, this one is going to be wrong because DE corresponds to RQ, not PQ. So DE upon will come QR. So this statement is the wrong statement. Let's move for the next question. In triangle ABC, you can see the triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC and triangle DEF. See, by the diagram, we come to know this angle is equal to this angle, okay? And this angle is equal to this angle. By the picture only we can come to know that these two figures are not equal, but they are similar. They are not equal, but they are similar. So we have to say angle F is, it is given angle B is equal to E. Angle B is equal to E. Angle F is equal to angle C. And AB is 3 times DE. Means AB is 3 times DE. Means 3 times DE will make 1 time AB. So which of the following statement regarding these two triangles is true? The triangles are not congruent. Yes, of course they are not congruent because size of this triangle is smaller and size of this triangle is bigger. They are not congruent. Not congruent, not similar. Yes, they are similar. Why are they similar? See, angle B is equal to angle E, okay, and angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by angle test. So these two triangles are similar but not congruent. So this statement is going to be a wrong statement. Okay. The triangles are similar but not congruent. This is the correct statement. Okay. Let's move for the next question. You can see here one triangle, small triangle, that is ABC, and a big triangle DEF. It is given that triangle, area of triangle ABC is 2, area of triangle DEF is 2 means upon, area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 upon 2. It's given that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is 1 upon 2. And these both triangles are equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60, this is 60, this is also 60. And here also this angle will be 60, 60. We know in an equilateral triangle, each angle is equal to 60 degree. So each angle is 60 degree, all sides will be equal, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, DE is equal to EF is equal to DF. And it is also given ABC upon DF is equal to half, and we can write it is given. Okay. Further, if AB is 4, then what is the length of DE? If AB is given 4, what will be the length of DE? They are asking. The area, corresponding areas are given and both the triangle are similar. So if the two triangles are similar, remember children, if the two triangles are similar and corresponding the ratio of area is given, there we can use theorem of area of similar triangle. We can use here theorem of area of similar triangle. What does the theorem of area of similar triangle says? This theorem, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF will be equal to AB upon DE the whole square is equal to BC upon EF the whole square is equal to AC upon DF the whole square. Now children, you must be thinking why I use such a big formula. I said you these two triangles are similar, and why these two triangles are similar? Because each angle is 60 degree. Let me write it here this side. See, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. Each is 60 degree, each 60 degree angle. And if each angle is equal, then I can say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. DEF by which test? Angle, angle, angle test. So these two triangles are similar and ratio of area is given, then I can use theorem of area of similar triangle. This is the theorem of area of similar triangle. Ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of squares of the corresponding side. That is theorem of area of similar triangle. Okay, let's use this. Area of triangle ABC upon area of DF is given half. So let me write it half, which is equal to AB upon DF, and AB is given 4, DF we want to, AB upon DE we want to find out. AB is given 4 and we want to find out DE. Let us write it square. Further they have not asked anything, so we will not write anything, only this we require to write. Now 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 upon DE square. Now D, why 16 came? 4 square is 16, D square will go here, so it will be DE square, which is equal to 2 into 16. So if I remove the square root in the next, DE is equal to under the root 2 into 16. Square root of 16 is 4 and root 2 will remain inside. So DE value will be 4 root 2. So the correct option will be 4 root 2. Clear? You can copy the sum. The figure is of triangle ABC, A, B, C, XY is one line parallel to BC given. Then which of the following statement is true? First of all, we will write down what is given. It is given that XY is parallel to BC and reason is given. And we know children, when two lines are, one line is parallel to the third side of the triangle, then which theorem we use? Yes, we use BPT theorem. So I can say according to, so we can use BPT AX upon BXB is equal to AY upon YC, and that is by BPT. Means if this line is parallel to this line, we can use BPT theorem. Fine. Now which statement is true here? We got according to BPT AX upon XB, AY upon YC. So where is AX? Yes, this one. AX upon XB is equal to AY upon YC. This is the correct statement. This is the fifth question. Let's move for the second question. Children, now we will begin with the second question of problem set. You can see here some information is given in triangle ABC. Let us draw the triangle ABC. So this is your BDC are in one line, BDC. So D will be somewhere here. Let us take D point somewhere here. This is your D, and it's given that BD is 7 and BC is 20, means from here to here it is 20. We have to find out the following ratios. Area of triangle ABD. First we will be finding area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. Now see children, BDC, let's see the triangle ABD. ABD is this triangle, another is ADC. So both the triangle have the common vertex children. A is the common vertex for ABD also and ADC also. That means if the both triangles have common vertex, their height will be same. So we can write here triangle ABD and triangle ADC have common vertex. And since the vertex is common, height will be same. They will have the same height. So even if I draw a height here, let me draw one height, perpendicular height. That will make you more perfect. Suppose I am drawing one line here perpendicular. Suppose I am drawing one line perpendicular here, blue color line, and this will be a perpendicular height. Let us label it as M. So ABD height is AM and ADC height is also AM. Why the height is same? Because they have both common vertex. I have written here because they both have common vertex, therefore the height is same. Just to understand that the height is same, I have drawn one height here, perpendicular height. Okay. So if the height is same, what will be the ratio of area of two triangle? Half into base into height upon half into base into height. In previous videos I have explained very detailed. Okay, if you watch other videos, then you will be understanding this very well. So let me write it down here. Half and half get cancelled. What are the base? What is the base of ABD? ABD base will be this, that is BD. Okay, BD upon BD into height. Height is what? AM upon ADC. What is the base? DC. This is the base, DC. So let me write here DC into, what is the height of ADC? AM. Now you see children, AM and AM get cancelled because same height. So we are getting BD upon DC. BD upon DC. Now how much is BD? 7. But DC we don't know. But one information is given here, BD is 7 and BC is 20. So we can find out DC easily. So let me find it here. BC is equal to BD plus, BC is equal to BD plus DC. BC is equal to BD plus DC. And how much is BC? BC is 20, children. You can see in the figure. So 20 is equal to BD 7 plus DC. Now this 7 will come here. 20 minus 7 is equal to DC. 20 minus 7 is 13. DC, we got DC as 13. So 7 upon 13 is the ratio of area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC. So we are done with the first thing. Let us find ABD upon ABC. ABD and ABC. Again children, they both have the common vertex. So their height will be same, and what is the height? AM. So height get cancelled. I can directly write here children now. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Half get cancelled, height get cancelled, as it got cancelled here because height is same. So what will be left? ABD base is BD. What is the base of ABC? BC. Height is same. So height get cancelled. I am not doing it here. In so many videos I have done earlier video. So by now in problem set you must be knowing it. So if we place, we can easily cancel it. So we get BD upon BC. And how much is BD? BD is 7. And how much is BC? 20. So this also we got. Now the third thing is area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC upon ABC. ADC. Area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC. You see the figure ADC. ADC height is AM, same height. ABC same height because they have common vertex. So we can write down ADC basis DC because half get cancelled, height get cancelled, only base upon base upon ABC basis BC. And how much is DC? DC is 13 we have found and BC is 20. So we got area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC as 13 upon 20. You can pause the video children and you can solve the sum. The third question says ratio of area of two triangles with equal height is 2:3. If I draw two triangles here, there are two triangles given as per the third question. This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. And the ratio of area of two triangles is given. Area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2 is equal to 2 upon 3, it is given. The heights are equal. So if it is given, let me begin with this. Area of triangle 1, if the ratio of area of two triangle is what? Area of triangle 2 is equal to what? Half into base into height. Half get cancelled. With equal height also will get cancelled. So base upon base. So base of first triangle upon base of second triangle. This is the base of first triangle and this is the base of second triangle. Okay. So base of first upon base of second triangle. Why it is like that? Because height are same and it is given. Height are same and it is given. Therefore, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is what? 2 upon 3. Base of 1 upon base of 2, which is equal to base of one triangle upon base of second triangle. If the base of smaller triangle is 6 centimeter, then what is the corresponding base of the bigger triangle? Base of the smaller triangle. Now in this, which is the smaller triangle? This is going to be the smaller triangle because it is in 2 and this is upon 3. Here it is given 2 and this is given 3. So this triangle will be smaller. So base of smaller triangle is given 6. Base of smaller triangle is given 6. So we will write here 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon base of bigger triangle. Okay. B2 will come here. So base of B2 is equal to 6 into 3 upon 2. 2 3s are 6. So base of bigger triangle is going to be 9 centimeter. Yes, centimeter. This is what they were asking you to find out. So you can pause the video, children, and you can solve the sum. Let's go for the next question, children.